Hello world, welcome back to Razor RC. I got a package here from TDK Repair. If you see my video from a few months ago, they sent me a couple of tire sauces to try and test, and I was super happy with the results. I've been using them ever since, and they are my preferred tire sauce of choice this year. So anyways, they've come out with some other products as well. So they sent me this little box of goodies, and we're gonna open up, take a look at what's inside. So what makes TDK Repair special is that they are pretty much the only company I know of that is making like eco-friendly, biodegradable, and non-toxic RC products. So that's kind of a big problem in the RC community. A few different things here. Little goodies there. Some other stuff. That's it for the box. And yeah, so I've been really happy with the tire sauces, and I saw that they came out with some other stuff, so we'll see what they got going on. So everything seems to come in their traditional TDK Repair biodegradable plastics and recyclable papers and stuff. So it looks like we got a few different things. A 2-ounce jar of marine and crawler grease. So I guess there's going to be stuff for like axles, gearboxes and stuff, like slower crawler type stuff. We'll try that. Got another package here of ball diff grease, a little 1/4 ounce. So this is going to be like your clear silicone type grease that you're going to be using in ball diffs. So really cool to see. Biodegradable, 100% recyclable. Okay, then over here we got the thrust bearing grease, 0.13 ounces. So this is what you're going to use instead of the black grease in your ball discs for the thrust bearings and thrust washer. Another nice biodegradable product here. Next up we got the medium bearing oil. So yeah, it's nice to change out all the grease for bearing oils. Inside your bearings actually be a lot smoother, a lot more free. So this looks like probably for your heavier bearings, maybe wheel bearings and diff bearings and stuff. And then we've got another bearing, the light bearing. So this is something you want to use on like motors or really high speed type bearings. So a nice little dropper and glass bottle. And then we've got shock assembly lube, synthetic lubricant that was formulated to work on X-rings and O-rings. So this is something I think that you'll want to use in place of like the green slime that Team Associated uses, or I think Protec's got one as well for shock O-rings. So it helps lubricate the O-rings so they don't leak as much. Cool to see. And then we got a couple of bottles, looks like, of the high grip and the odorless tire sauce. So yeah, these are really nice tire sauces, the ones I prefer to use. They do come in these new like plastic bottles, I guess, or maybe they're biodegradable bottles, not really sure. Recyclable bottles, something like that. So anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. They got a bunch of new lubricants and greases and stuff, all biodegradable, non-toxic. And so, well, I guess it doesn't say non-toxic, but at least it's biodegradable and recyclable. So yeah, anyways, check them out. I'm gonna be trying these out, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the add notifications button, and look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.